going to show you how to deactivate your Instagram account. Just watch and follow this video till the end. Open your Instagram like this first, and when you will open it, just go here and open your profile. So guys, after that, click on the three line or the menu in the top of the corner of the screen. Click on Account Center, and you have to click on Manage Accounts. Click on Manage here on your account. Go to Deactivation or Deletion. Choose Deactivate and click Continue again. And add your password, and then your account will be deactivated correctly. And I hope this video, guys, was useful for you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe in this channel. See you in next tutorial.